Alright, we got a little bit of prep work today. I started shoveling. I shoveled that earlier and it was warm enough, I think it's in the 40s, that it broke up. I could shovel the last layer of ice off, and now we got to work on this section here so I can get the tarp off. There we go. First shovel is done. We'll let that thaw. I'm gonna have lunch. Maybe we'll go to the Y, get some tennis and swimming in, and maybe we'll pull this off in the afternoon and get started with a couple of those and see how we get. Alright, we did get the sawmill shoveled off today. We opened it up and we cut some logs. There's a couple logs over there, and we took one of the maples that was over there that came from that tree over there. We cleaned those up. So we cut four? Yeah, so this is what we got. So this is the maple. And actually I think this was the ash that came up pretty nice. These are the maples. These boards here, this one over here. Yeah. So I think these are 1.5 inches and those are 2-inch maples by I think 9, something like that. So we're closing it up because let's see if you can tell the sun's going down. I think it's probably like 4:30. Maybe a little hot tub, some dinner. I got a meeting tonight, and then we'll see what tomorrow brings. I have to say, I think the wheels, feels like the wheels fell off of the wagon this afternoon. I'd say like after lunchtime. Had a good morning working on that stuff, but this afternoon has just kind of been not wanting to be part of this this world anymore. Yeah, it is not much hope anymore. You know, used to have a lot of hope that we can make changes and get things to be where they needed to be, but I think it's just over.